Chicken cacciatore, let's do this. It's skinny fettuccine, chicken breasts, some mushrooms, peppers, shallots, garlic, basil, your favorite tomato sauce, little red wine vinegar. All right, slice that chicken, clean it up. You guys, usually takes about 2 hours. This dish, 35 minutes. All right, cut your chicken, get your garlic ready, slice 1/2 an onion, slice 1 whole bell pepper. I like red, it's sweeter. Get your mushrooms sliced, get your basil ready, 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Let's saute our veggies, get them in there. Keep the garlic close whole. They're gonna just get nice and soft. Saute your veggies, add your chicken, season it well, salt and pepper, then add your mushrooms. We're gonna let this simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes. Add 2 cups of your favorite tomato sauce, about 4 dashes of that red wine vinegar. Goes really well, makes it nice and tangy. Then we're gonna add some fresh basil. Look at that. Cover it. About 30 minutes in, add your pasta, toss it up, another 5 minutes. You guys, I promise you, it is smacking good. Look at this. I gotta wipe my face, it's all over me.